You'll probably never meet a more normal-looking kid than Trevor Huddleston.
He was an honor roll student. He graduated with honors. He had a really good future ahead of him, and for this to happen, it just kills us.
What happened 4 years ago was a car accident and a brain injury that changed Trevor forever.
In his eyes, you could just see it. Just a complete 180. He wasn't there anymore.
He has schizoaffective disorder.
Since that diagnosis, which also included bipolar disorder, Trevor's world and his family's flew apart.
He wanted to roam the streets and like he was homeless.
He spent some time in a mental hospital where fortunately medication worked wonders. But effective medication can be a double-edged sword.
He's taken his meds and he's back to normal. And he stops taking them when he gets out because he thinks he's fine.
Neglecting his meds and back on the streets, he was recently charged with petty theft.
No, he's never been in legal trouble before until now.
His mom says without his meds in jail, he ended up striking an officer during an altercation. And now he may end up spending some serious prison time.
He had called me and he started talking about dying. And how he needed to die. He felt that God wanted him to die.
The source of Trevor's illness may be different, but the result is the same. And police say it's something they see all too much of.
So we do frequently see the same people over and over and over again because their actual needs aren't being met through this process.
The process generally involves a 48-hour psych hold on those who are gravely disabled or considered a threat to themselves or others. But finding a mental health bed is a daily challenge.
Really, the issue boils back down to we need more treatment facilities.
There are only about 200 mental health beds in Ada County. Often officers are forced off the streets while they try to place someone in a mental health bed. That could be an officer's entire day, right?
It could be, yes.
And that's just one more issue making our streets less safe. And police say it's hard to see people who could be helped going without.
I mean, it's extremely frustrating. All of us that get into law enforcement profession, on some level, we got into it because we want to help people, right? And it is frustrating when you can't get somebody the help that you think or know that they need.
Trevor is one of those people who, instead of getting some help to maintain his medication, could end up in our already overcrowded prison system, a thought his mother can't bear.
My son, who's going to make a difference one day in this world. His life's just on hold right now.
Roland Barris, 6 on your side.